Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a new head bundle on Roblox. First of all, you have to search for, and which is free as well. So right now, so you have to search here, cool, cool act, and choose in marketplace. You will get this cool ad. Just click on it. Right now it is free. So this is cool ag bundle, which is a type of bundle. And right now I own this bundle and it is right now free. So it maybe go on sale anytime soon. So just make sure to grab it as soon as possible. I'll show you how it looks on Avatar. First of all, go to head and body and go to style. Now I'll show you how it looks. And now just choose the head. Just choose the head. Talking about this head, click on it.